Good day to all of you. Now I will do the return demo of bowing. Bowing will be performed before the start of the practice. How to perform bow? Preparation is attention. And the Korean term for attention is chariot. And the Korean term for bow is chungri. And the Korean term of the open leg is chunbi. And the Korean term for start is sija. First thing to do is to command chariot. Bowing is performed in 2 seconds. Chungri. 1, 2, 1, 2. And back to the open leg. Chunbi. Another one. Chariot. Chungri. Chunbi. Good day to all of you. I'm here to perform the 5 basic forms of stances. There are 5 basic forms of stances in Taekwondo. The attention stand, the open leg stand, the fighting stand, the center stand, and the forward stand. First is the attention stand or chariot. Preparation, chariot, chungri. Open leg stand, chunbi, ha. And the third one is the fighting stand. Preparation, chariot. The fighting stand, we need to move backward our right foot. Fighting stand, 1 count only with shout. Fighting stand, chunbi, ho. And the next one is the reverse fighting stand, chariot. The reverse fighting stand is opposite. This is we need to move backward our left foot. Reverse fighting stand, chunbi, ho. And the next one is the center stand, chariot. The center stand is we need to move our left foot to our left side. Center stand, chunbi, ha. And the last one is the forward stand, chariot. The forward stand is we need to move our right foot forward. Forward stand, chunbi, ha. And the reverse forward stand, chariot. The reverse forward stand. The reverse forward stand is opposite. We need to move forward our left foot. Reverse forward stand, chunbi, ha. Chariot.